Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Yoto card not playing, content not loading, and app setup troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Many Yoto cards need an internet connection the first time they are played, so the content can download to the player. Make sure your Yoto device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the Yoto app. Select your player and verify it shows online. Move the player closer to your router if the signal is weak. If necessary, reconnect the player to Wi-Fi through the app. Fix 2. Remove and reinsert the card. Sometimes the player simply fails to read the card correctly. Remove the Yoto card completely. Wait a few seconds, insert the card firmly back into the player. Allow a minute for the content to load. Fix 3. Restart the Yoto player. Turn the player off, wait 10 to 15 seconds, turn it back on, try the card again. Fix 4. Allow time for content to download. New cards may need time to download audio files. Insert each card once, remove the card, leave the player plugged in, online, and idle with no card inserted. Allow several hours or leave it overnight for downloads to complete. Fix 5. Check the card for damage. Yoto cards use an NFC chip that the player must read. Inspect the card for bends, cracks, or heavy wear. Wipe the card clean with a soft microfiber cloth. Ensure nothing is blocking the card slot. Fix 6. Test another card. Insert a different Yoto card. If other card work, the original card may be faulty. If no cards work, the issue may be with the player itself. Fix 7. Test the card with your phone. Most smartphones can detect the card's NFC chip. Enable NFC on your phone. Tap the Yoto card against the back of the phone. If the Yoto app recognizes the card is likely functioning correctly. Fix 8. Update the Yoto app and player software. Update the Yoto app from your device's app store. Leave the player connected to Wi-Fi so it can receive firmware updates. Fix 9. Contact Yoto support. If the card still will not play after trying all the solutions above, contact Yoto support. Provide the card title or a photo of the card, a short video showing the issue, details about your player model and Wi-Fi connection. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.